Drowning in rent payments? Did you know your trusty American Express card could be your financial raft? First, navigate to the American Express website and log into your account. You'll need your username and password handy. Once logged in, look for the Pay Bills or Send Money section. It might be under Payments or a similar heading. The exact wording can vary slightly. Since Amex doesn't directly let you pay rent, you'll need a third-party service. Popular options include Plastic or Melio. These services act as intermediaries. Create an account on your chosen platform and add your Amex card as your payment method. Then, add your landlord's payment information. This usually includes their bank account details. Enter the rent amount and schedule your payment. Be aware that these services typically charge a small transaction fee, so factor that into your budget. Double-check your Amex statement to confirm the payment went through correctly. Now, you're racking up those Amex rewards while covering your rent.